In the heart of Samoa, a leader stood tall. No corruption, no deceit, just integrity, unwavering faith, and a vision for change. Lauli Alei Malietoa wasn't supposed to win. The established powers were entrenched, experienced, formidable, seemingly unshakable. But Lauli stepped forward, not with arrogance, but with confidence in a power greater than himself. He didn't see a government too big to challenge. He saw a nation too precious to abandon. One voice, one vision, one hope for transformation. The people listened. This wasn't just a political campaign, it was a call for national renewal. Lauli's story reminds us that leadership isn't about having the most power, it's about having the purest intentions. And when corruption seems insurmountable, perhaps that's exactly when true change becomes possible. Samoa, your voice matters. Your vote can reveal the strength of a nation's heart.